Alright, I have ArmorAll Original Protectant Wipes right here that I'm going to be using to clean my dashboard right here. It has some grime and grit on here. It's not as shiny as it used to be, not as good looking. It's a little bit dusty. And what I'm going to be using this ArmorAll Original Protectant Wipes, which cleans, shines, protects from UV damage. This is the non-greasy formula. Helps keep vehicles looking like new. And right here, it shows you medium shine down there. Guaranteed wipes to stay moist. It comes in a packet like here. Do you see these wipes in here? Easy to close the lid. Right here, it shows protectant wipes. Direction on this pretty much is self-explanatory. It says directions. Getting closer, you can see this. It says, wipe surface clean with ArmorAll Protectant Wipes. Apply regularly to maintain appearance and protection. Dispose of wipes and trash when you're done. Do not flush. Open lid, pull out wipe. In the center of the roll, the next sheet pops up automatically. There's some warnings on here you should be reading the warnings before you use this product. When finished, close lid to retain moisture. So here are the wipes inside. I'm going to show you right here. These are the wipes inside. Already, excuse me, have some out here, prepped, ready to go ahead and wipe off my dashboard. You see there's some grime and grit down here. I'm just going to take this and I'm going to take the wipes, have a couple of them out here, and I'm just going to go back and forth and show you how this picks up the dust as well as gives it a nice medium shine, not too bright. Don't want to make it look like you have a Jerry curl. So I'm going to go ahead and take this, and I'm actually going to go on I'm not going to do the handle part of the steering wheel, but I'm going to do the part where you honk the horn. Right here, you want to have that nice and shiny before you tell someone off with your horn. So I'm going to go ahead and finish doing this, get the top of it. And this is pretty much how it is right here. It dries down a little bit so it doesn't have that super wet Jerry curl look going on. But here are the protectant wipes right here. Does a really good job. Not a lot dirty because I do this on a regular. That's always subjective, what regular means. But here are the wipes. So these are ArmorAll wipes. Works pretty well. I like them. Really convenient as opposed to the spray. You don't worry about splatter getting everywhere. So that's ArmorAll Original Protectant Wipes. Hope this video is helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.